Good morning to all. 9th Max Set Language. We observed in these two cases. First one, collection of fruit. Second one, collection of electrical things. See this first one, apple, grapes, banana. Second one, TV, fan, iron box and bulbs. So, collection of object based on their characteristics. Any such collection is called a set. Definition of set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. The object of a set are called its members or elements. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. That objects are called as a members or elements. For example, the collection of all books in a district general library. Then second one, the collection of prime numbers. Then third one, the collection of good students in a class. First and second is a set. Then third is not a set because good is not well defined. The set is a collection of well defined objects. That objects are called as members and elements. But here good is not well defined. So collection of good students in a class is not a set. A set is usually denoted by capital letters of the English alphabets A, B, C and so on etc. The elements of a set is written within curly bracket. See this curly bracket. Example, first one, A is equal to, set A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 and set B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Set is denoted by capital alphabets. Elements is denoted by small alphabets. Representation of a set. First one, descriptive form. Then second one, set builder form. Third one, roster form. First one, descriptive form. Descriptive form means a set is described in words is called as descriptive form. Descriptive form means a set is described in words. So see these examples. The set of a vowels in English alphabets. This is first one. Then second one, the set of whole numbers. This set of whole number. Whole numbers. The set of few vowels in English alphabets described in words. Second one, the set of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is described in words. This is called a descriptive form. Second one, set builder form or rule form. All the elements are described by a rule. All the elements are described by a rule. For example, examples. So already descriptive form is written. The set of vowels in English alphabets. First one, A is equal to X such that X is a vowel in English alphabets. English alphabets. Set A is equal to X such that X is a vowels in English alphabets. Here X such that is described by rule is called as set builder form or ruler form. Then second one, B is equal to X such that X is a whole number. Whole numbers. Set builder form or ruler form is described by a rule. Here using such that X such that X is a whole number. Third one, roster form or tabular form. Roster form means a set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. The set can be described by a listing all the elements of the set. Set of vowels in English alphabets is descriptive form. This descriptive form is changed to roster form. Set A is equal to set of vowels in English alphabets is descriptive form. The descriptive form is written in roster form. Set of vowels A, E, I, O, U. Then second one, set of whole numbers is descriptive form. This descriptive form changed to roster form. B is equal to, write corollary bracket, then after write the elements, listing the elements. The set of whole numbers starting from 0 onwards, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is roster form. Exercise 1.1. First one, which of the following are sets? First one, the collection of prime number up to 100. Set A is equal to collection of prime number up to 100. Write in roster form. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 87. The collection of prime numbers is well defined. Hence it is a set. Hence it is a set. Set is a collection of well defined object. The collection of prime number is well defined. So hence it is a set. Second one, the collection of rich people in India. The collection of rich people in India. Rich people has no definition. So here rich mean, see this rich. Rich is not well defined. So it is not a set. It is not a set. Third one, the collection of rivers in India. The collection of rivers in India, first write in roster form. A is equal to Kaveri, Sindhu, Ganga and so on. So India has so many rivers. So the collection of well defined object, river is a collection of in India. Collection of rivers is well defined. So hence it is a set. Fourth one, the collection of good hockey players. The collection of good hockey player is not well defined because good is not well defined. So it is not a set. The collection of good hockey player is not well defined. Defined collection because the criteria for the determining a hockey player's talent may vary from person to person. Hence this collection is not a set. Hence it is not a set. Thank you.